Now the last variation that we're going to do is a longer variation, and this one is based off a 9-stroke roll, which if you weren't already aware, I'm sure you can figure out, is 8 lots of double strokes, so right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, and then right on the end, okay? So this, because again we're playing 16th notes, this is going to start on the 3rd quarter note beat. We'll have 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1, okay? But just like we did with the previous fills, we're going to add that accent 1 quarter note beat before that Abanico starts. So in this case, it'll be on beat 2. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3 and a 4 and a 1. Okay, this actually works much better, this version of an Abanico, with a 3-2 clave direction, because that accent before you start the Abanico and the start of your Abanico both fit in to where you'll be playing those 2 notes of the 2 side of the clave anyway. So you'd have 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1. Okay, so it works both ways, but probably works better in 3-2 clave direction.